Welcome to our cooking show. Today we are making a rainbow cake.
For the dough you need
butter, buttermilk,
6 eggs,
baking soda,
vanilla sugar,
sugar,
flour,
salt,
and some food colors. For the cream you need
double cream,
cream stiff, cream cheese,
grated lemon peel, and if you want some decoration. For the dough you need to mix butter,
sugar,
and vanilla sugar. Then add eggs and keep stirring.
When everything is well mixed, add flour,
Buttermilk, a pinch of salt,
and baking soda.
Now provide 5 small bowls.
Now divide the dough into 5 bowls.
If you're done, add some food coloring. Next, take a spring form and add the first portion of dough. Now set the oven to 175 degrees. Now bake the dough for 10 minutes. While the dough is baking, start making the cream.
Put double cream in a bowl. Then start to mix it. Put some cream stiff into the bowl. Then mix it again.
Put cream cheese in a bowl. Add some powdered sugar. Add grated lemon peel. Put the whipped cream into the lemon cream and mix it. If everything is baked, put the cream on the cake. Now decorate it.